we are talking about a really fun technique called quilt as you go. You'll make your quilt blocks and you're actually going to quilt those, but you're going to stop your quilting about an inch away from the edge. And I'm going to turn my batting and my back piece and pin that. I am going to have you put these together and I'm going to have you sew a 1/4 inch seam all the way down. Once we have that done, you're going to fold your batting right in here to the center. And then you are going to fold this one right in here to the center. Do you see how you have a overlap? Then I'm going to take my top and I'm going to fold this over. And then I'm going to fold my next one over. Once I do that, I'm going to turn this under a 1/4 inch and I'm going to pin. I want to turn this over and I want to see where my pins are lining up.
Okay.
You can just take and just stitch right down that edge.
Okay. Let's see it.
Perfect.
Awesome.